All right, so I'm going to show you how to make rounded curved tree branches. All right, that last video I taught you how to make straight tree branches, and then the edges were curved here or rounded in. So let's go ahead and show you how to make curved tree branches. I'm just reading through the directions. So we're going to go ahead and choose the pen tool it's asking us, and then make a straight line here, and then make another straight line right here. This one's going to be a little big. Okay, I'm going to end my line. Okay, so once on the corner anchor, select it and pull a little circle in to around the corner. So that's it. So I'm going to go ahead and let's see, double click, and let's see if this works in vector. Go over, zoom in. So if I double click, and you've got this little corner right here. Oh, perfect. Okay, there we go. So there we go. That is how you make a rounded branch for your tree. I'm just going to go ahead and make it smaller. And let's go ahead and make a copy of this and paste it here. Okay, so if you wanted your tree branch to look something like this, that is how you do it. Make it a little bit smaller, and obviously you would want to stagger these, make them smaller, make them larger, depending on where you place them on your tree. And then the simple way to just make a copy of all of those and flip them and move them over to the other side. Okay, that's a second or a third way to make a tree.